Hi, this is Beth Perry at the Swilley Library, and today I want to show you how to do a scripture search in the Atla Religion Database. This helps you find resources on particular passages of scripture. So we want to start at the library homepage, which is libraries.mercer.edu, and then we want to scroll down to Databases A to Z and click on that. And then we want to just scroll down till we get to Atla Religion Database. So that's here, we'll click there. Okay, so we're in the advanced search with the three search boxes, but for the scripture search, we want to go over here where it says Atla Scripture Search. And let's say we're looking for Genesis chapter 1, verses 1 through 4. So I'm going to click on the plus sign by Genesis, and then on chapter 1. And then I can select the verses 1 through 4. And then I'm going to click on Add to Search. And that just puts it up in our search box. And then we can click on Search. So notice that this pulls up 1,813 results. And if we look at this number 2, for example, and scroll down till we get to scripture citation, we notice that it says Genesis 1:1 through 2:3 and 2:4 to 6:8, which is not really what we were looking for. It does cover the verses that we put in, but we want it to be a little bit more specific. So what we can do is to go back to our results, go up to where it says All Filters, scroll down here till you get to Scripture. Then you'll see a list of scriptures, and I'm going to click on the 43 more. And what I want to do here is just select anything that I want that covers verses 1 to 4. So here is verse 1, and the 72 means that there are 72 records in here for journal articles or essays that deal with verse 1 of chapter 1. So I'm going to click there, and here's verse 2, 1 to 3. This is chapters 1 to 4, so I'm not going to click there. So you just keep selecting the ones that cover the verses you want. And scroll all the way down just to make sure you get everything. So here's verse 1, 1 to 4, so I'll click that one as well. And then once you've selected everything, you want to click on Update Selections, and then click on Apply. So now I'm down from 1,800 records to 222, and I notice this first one says Genesis 1, 1 to 5, and if I click on that, I should see the scripture search again does say Genesis 1, 1 to 5, so that'll include the verses 1 to 4 that I'm interested in. So that might be helpful. Let's look at another one. This number 3, the scripture search here is exactly verses 1 to 4. So those are going to be a little bit more precise results for you if you take those extra steps and get your numbers down. In this case, it was 1,800 to 222.